Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get runway effects for free in Dress to Impress. So you can either go apple bopping or you can also go trick-or-treating. So here you're just going to interact with the houses and hopefully they give you a treat. As you can see, you can also get candies. But you can also get runway effects for free if you go trick-or-treating and you get the treat one. So, okay, as you can see, I got a runway effect from that. It is a little bit harder to get by. It's very hard to get treats. But if you really want it, you can go trick-or-treating again and again. But you can also, again, do apple bopping. Sometimes you can get a runway effect for free by doing this. And the good thing about apple bopping is you can also get candies, which you need to unlock some items in Dress to Impress. As you can see, I don't get it here, but I still get money and some candies. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.